Hello friends, welcome to Learn Engineering. Today we are diving into a compact yet powerful piece of engineering, the two-stroke engine. You have seen in it bikes, scooters, and even chainsaw. Let's break it down in simple terms. A two-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine that completes a full power cycle in just two strokes of the piston, one up and one down, during a single crankshaft revolution. This makes it more powerful for its size compared to a four-stroke engine. Let's understand how it works step by step. Compression stroke. First, the piston moves upward, compressing the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. As it nears the top, the spark plug ignites the compressed mixture. Power stroke. The explosion forces the piston down. This is the power stroke. As the piston moves down, it opens the exhaust port, letting the burnt gases escape, and the transfer port opens, allowing a fresh air fuel mixture into the cylinder from the crankcase. The key component of a two-stroke engine include the piston, crankshaft, spark plug, exhaust port, transfer port, inlet port, and either a carburetor or a fuel injector. Advantages: simple design and fewer moving parts. Power is delivered every revolution, lighter and cheaper to manufacture. High power to weight ratio. Disadvantages: low fuel efficiency, more pollution, some fuel escape unburnt, higher wear and tear, requires oil mixed with fuel for lubrication. So, how does a two-stroke engine compare with a four-stroke? Two strokes are more powerful and simpler, but they burn more fuel and pollute more. Four-stroke are more fuel efficient and cleaner, but they are heavier and more complex. That was a quick and simple explanation of the two-stroke engine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more engineering and tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.